Mandatory compliance training. Just hearing that probably makes most people think boring, box ticking, and something to rush through. But it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, let's break down how to make compliance training actually engaging while still meeting every legal requirement. First, remember this. People don't care about rules. They care about what those rules protect: their job, their safety, their reputation, their company. So don't start with policies. Start with why they exist. Tell a quick story of what can go wrong when the rules are ignored. A data leak, a safety incident, a harassment complaint. Make it feel real, not theoretical. Next, swap long lectures for short, focused chunks. Think micro-learning, 5 to 10 minutes per module, each covering one clear idea. That makes training easier to start and easier to finish. Use realistic scenarios instead of just text. Show what a tough situation might look like in real life. Then ask, what would you do? Give people choices, not just information. Let them make decisions, see the impact, and learn from it in a safe environment. Keep the language human. Legal teams may love long sentences. Learners don't. Translate the legal musts and shall nots into plain, everyday speech. You can still be 100% compliant without sounding like a contract. Add small moments of interaction. Quick knowledge checks. Drag and drop steps in the right order. Spot the risk examples. These don't have to be full-on games, just simple ways to keep people thinking instead of clicking next. Always show what's in it for them. Will this help them avoid mistakes, protect their team, save time? Make that benefit clear at the start of each section. Finally, measure and improve. Look at completion rates, quiz scores, and feedback. Where are people dropping off? Where are they confused? Use that to refine the next version. Compliance training should evolve just like any other business process. If you want to turn your own compliance content into clear, engaging explainer videos, tools can make it much easier. With vidfactory.ai, you can create animated training videos quickly without needing a full production team. Just bring your policies and your ideas. The platform helps you turn them into simple, visual stories. So, mandatory training doesn't have to feel like a chore. Make it short, make it relevant, make it real. And if you're ready to bring your policies to life, head over to vidfactory.ai and start creating your own explainer videos today.